Hi everyone, welcome back to African Real Estate. Today we are in Malaa. To be specific, we are exactly 3 minutes from Malaa town. And this is a big estate of around 50 units. What you can see right now is the phase 1 of this estate, and it contains 18 units. Each of the houses has a plinth area of around 140 square meters, and each of the home is going for 5.9 million. As you can see, each of the homes has been constructed on a 40 by 80 lot of land, and this is a low-cost housing project. This estate will come with all the amenities that you may require, and at the front of each unit, the home comes with a 2-car parking, a front yard, and a side yard that will join to the backyard on the other side of each house. This phase is almost complete, so if you are an early bird, you might get a discount. I'll take you inside. Wow! From the entrance, this is a beautiful living room. I like the size of the windows, and even if this is a low-cost housing project, you'll have to spend a fortune on the curtains. This window that faces the front side of the home will give you a very nice view to the rest of the estate, and this other window faces the side garden and your right-hand neighbor. By having these two sides occupied by the big windows, we have only been left with this side for your electronics. And I like it that these units come with intercom and DSTV ready. I like the craftsmanship of this gypsum ceiling, and I like it that it comes with some recess lights. But this center light is horrible. You have to change it when you purchase this unit. On the far front of the living room, you have the dining area, and on its right-hand side, you have the kitchen of this home. This hallway will take you to the bedrooms area, and here we have the dining area of this home. The dining area is big enough for your 6-seater or an 8-seater dining set. On my left-hand side, the dining area comes with a wash basin, and on my right-hand side, you have this door that will take you to the kitchen garden and the laundry area. The pantry of this home is just next to the dining area, and it's a sizable pantry that is enough for all your dry foods. We have not seen this concept anywhere else, but if it works, why not? As I told you, the laundry area is here. This is a sufficient space for your washer and dryer, and the clotheslines area is just next to it. The kitchen of this home is on this other side, and as you can see, the kitchen of this home has been connected to the dining area through this counter table. This kitchen is of a standard size with very beautiful granite countertops, and it comes with upper and lower cabinets. This space has been left for your cooking stove, and behind me you have the sink area. I like it that this home comes with a double sink. On the other side you have a space for your refrigerator, and I like it that this kitchen also comes with a fairly big window. From here I'll take you to the first kids' bedroom. Before we get into the kids' bedrooms and the primary bedroom, you have the common washroom. And at the entrance, you have a miniature wash basin. The common washroom is of a standard size with all the necessary fixtures that you may require. I'll take you to the first bedroom. This is the first bedroom. It is the tiniest, but it's sizable enough for your small kids or one of your employees. It comes with its closet here, and on this far end, you have its bathroom. The closet is just standard, and it comes with spaces here for your suits and some space here for your foldable clothes or for your shoes. If you are taller than me, you can use that space for extra storage. This is the bathroom of this bedroom, and it is just similar to the other one that I'll show you in the next bedroom. The second bedroom is here. This bedroom is slightly bigger than the first kid's bedroom, and it comes with a slightly bigger closet. This bedroom also comes with a massive window that is directly opposite to the closet of this room. The closet is big enough for the bigger children, and these two drawers will come in handy. Let me show you the bathroom. The bathroom is standard and it comes with its water closet here, a space for your showering and a wash basin just behind the door. I'll take you to the primary bedroom. From the second bedroom, the primary bedroom is here. The primary bedroom is the biggest and it comes with the biggest closet and the biggest bathroom. I like it that it comes with a fairly big window, and the advantages is that it faces the back side of this estate. On this other side of the bedroom, you have its closets, and on this far end, you have spaces for your shoes. The closet is standard, sufficient for you and your partner, and this door will take you to the bathroom of this bedroom. The primary bathroom is slightly bigger than the other two bathrooms, and it comes with a sectioned part here for the shower cubicle, a water closet, and a wash basin on this other end. This bathroom also comes with all the necessary fixtures that you may require. That's all for this bedroom. We have come to the end of the tour and I hope you have enjoyed. So if you have some 5.9 million somewhere, or you can easily take a mortgage, just go and do it and grab one of these homes. That's all for today, and as always, never stop watching. Bye bye.